Hello guys, greeting from SAE Baha. We, the family of automotive enthusiasts, are here to help you boost start your engineering career. So let's get started. Lights off please.
Yeah.
TMR is not just a name, it's feeling, it's pride, it's legacy. It's that energy that flows in all of us in the form of racing girls since last 10 years.
I learned a lot being part of the team, and we as a team made a milestone activity in the journey since its inception.
Team Magnus Racing was founded in 2012 by undergraduate engineering students of JC Bose University of Science and Technology YMCA Faridabad in order to showcase the capabilities of prospective mechanical engineer in terms of ideas and innovation.
10 साल के सफर में हमने 7 गाड़ियाँ बनाई जो एक से बढ़कर एक थी, और हमारी कोशिश ये रहती है कि हम अपने आप को कम्पिटिटिव और प्रोडक्टिविटी बनाए रखें। हमारी ये भूख और कुछ कर गुजरने की मोटिवेशन ये हमारी एक फ्यूल है, जो कि हर कोई यही सवाल करती है कि इसके आगे क्या है।
ATVs are a different type of vehicle and their powertrain is also different. We at TMR strive for something different every year. In the year 2022, we developed a custom chain-driven all-wheel drive system with a front differential that can handle even the tackiest of situations. I am Yash and I look out for the powertrain.
Braking is one of the major aspects to control a system and resist any fatality. In last 7 years, TMR has built many technological milestones, so does brake system has. We have developed our own custom caliper by using advanced software like SolidWorks, ANSYS and many more. We work consistently to keep our brakes functional and snappier. So, Jessica, I contribute to this team by stopping our ATV safely. Thank you.
Off-roading is a task for every vehicle, but it's a duty of an ATV. For this, it's required a good suspension and steering setup. Otherwise, it would lose its stability. And an unstable ATV is a risk for the driver. In common perception, steering seems to be an easy department, but it's not. Steering contributes a lot. So I'm Nitin and I make ATV stable and steerable.
And lightweight to endure the toughest terrain of Baha. Earlier it weighed more than 300 kg, which we bought up to 150 kg without compromising the safety of driver. Our ATVs are strong because we build them strong. So I'm Gautam Verma, the head of roll cage department, and we make the barebone of our ATV.
Next in the list, we have taken a challenge to build a first ever electric ATV. The hunger for glory and striving for the accelerated growth of each individual will keep on cheering and heading us towards our ultimate goal. Come and join us and be the part of this journey of dream, dare and drive.
Striving for the best, rejecting the rest. Battling every year with the domains of engineering and innovation, we build this rigid vehicle. We all are divided by stream but united by dream, and we are team Magnus Racing guys. Hope to see you soon.
Hope you all like the video.
Yeah.
So just a quick presentation. So we team Magnus Racing. We are a team of 25 highly passionate engineers who build ATVs. So ATV is an acronym to all-terrain vehicle. Yes, you heard right. An all-terrain vehicle. The beast offers the smoothest and safest ride beat any terrain. Our journey started since our inception in 2012, and since we have made 7 Bs. Baha SA India is a challenge for high-stake automotive engineers to showcase their talent among 250 plus teams across nation. And we believe that engineers are those who believe that the fast cars are for fast drivers and the off-roading is for best drivers, and we believe in both.
So guys, to know our mission and vision, you must know that we built an all-terrain vehicle which is not only capable of running on the normal roads but can also climb high mountains. And so our thrill starts where the road ends.
Yeah.
Our mission is not just to create engineers who are working in the normal mobile industry of India, but to create engineers who can implement new innovations and ideas in India. And so we also aim to be the best SAE International SAE Bahar team. And these words are not just for saying you guys. Last year we built all four-wheel drive car which is capable of running by the help of chain. We also built high torque ratio gearbox which is capable of pulling the tractor very easily, as you have seen in the video. And we are also capable of making different parts of the vehicle like front differential, floating caliper and all. Okay, and so I can say you that क्योंकि हम हमेशा काबिलियत के पीछे रहते हैं, इसलिए कामयाबी हमारे पीछे रहती है.
Yeah.
A great man once said, "If you can dream it, you can achieve it."
Yeah.
In the process of designing anything, in the process of making anything, the process of designing is very, very crucial, as it tells us about the possible problems that we can encounter, and also tells us about the best way for designing our vehicle.
Thank you.
So after design part, the first thing come our mind how to manufacture this part.
Yeah.
So our manufacturing, the first thing we work on CAD models. Controller think that after designing on a laptop, we do 3D paintings. Manufacturing is a year-long journey in which we do not learn how to fabricate or manufacture new things, but also learn how to build our CAD models into reality. There are some glimpses and the things that we learn in workshop. We work on lathe machine, milling machine, we do soldering, 3D paintings, and sometimes grinding and many more things.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
So all the students here are from mechanical and electronics engineering. So it is very important for me to explain the term mechatronics to all of you. So mechatronics is a combination of precision engineering, electronic control and mechanic system. Our car not only have mechanical equipments but also it will be having electronic gadgets like microcontroller, motor, IR sensors, rotary encoder, augmented user, dashboard. So it does not matter whether you are from mechanical or electronic engineering, you are going to learn a lot from this club.
Coming to the next slide, do you guys know how important communication skills are? We TMR not limit ourselves to technical only, we also focus on developing some interpersonal skills. So far you have learned about how we build an ATV, but do you guys know where does this fund comes from? Well, money is not a problem if you have good interpersonal skills. That's what marketing is about. So, as you know, Escorts is the largest industrial hub of North India. So, we get chances to go to a lot of industries where we can visit industries, get a chance to meet a lot of CEOs of industries. Here is a list of some sponsors of our team, that is Ecotech, VMT, Sai Instrument, MOC and many more. Next.
So, all after designing, manufacturing, and marketing, you all might be thinking that where our investment and where our money goes, and what we have achieved from these all things.
Yeah.
So, these are some of the achievements which we have got. That we are in top 25 in 2K22 and top 20 in 2K20 and top 10 and 15 in 2K19. Also, we are in first in cost aspect ratio in 2018 and third in design. And also, you all might be having a doubt that we get placement or not from this club. So, these are some of our seniors and our beloved alumni who are placed in top automobile industries like Maruti Suzuki, Cognizant, Flipkart, SMS, and etc.
Next slide, please. So since our inception, the journey has been very amazing. We have made 7 Vs by now. The first week we made the custom all-terrain vehicle. The second that made debut at the greatest stage of Baha among more than 200 teams. The third that bagged the Best of the Design award. The fourth among the Best Athletic Team, which was featured in the Baha magazine. The fifth, which bagged the Cost award. The sixth, which is the whole record of the fastest lap record. Seventh, that we made the Best of the Beast, is our all-wheel drive that we made by our own.
Coming to the next slide. Goal of engineering is to bring solutions to the society by implementing our engineering practices. So we TMR keep on implementing our practices and keep on revolving our vehicle. So you might be interested in knowing what's next. This time we are moving towards the greener mobility solution. We are coming with our first electric ATV. So goal is not just to build an ATV. Our goal is to achieve the best ATV and to achieve the best stage at Baha SA India. We are striving for the best, rejecting the rest. Next.
So isn't it this exciting, you guys?
Yeah!
So we at TMR not represent just a university. We are representing the future of Indian automotive sector. Thank you for your interest and do follow us on our social media pages, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube. For such more content we will be keep on posting here. We look forward to interact you in future. We'll keep forwarding you. Then do scan this QR code for registering our recruitment drive. Thank you so much.
We are Team Magnex Racing.
Thank you so much.